Hi, I'm Joe from LedLenser, and today I'd like to show you our ultra-compact outdoor lantern, the ML4. Due to its size and weight, it's perfect for outdoor adventures where every gram counts. Like our ML6, it's equipped with our innovative micro-prism technology that ensures powerful and glare-free illumination. Even the roughest weather conditions can't harm the ML4, not even a sudden downpour. The ML4 is very compact. It only weighs 71 grams and is less than 10 centimeters high. Despite its size, it provides up to 300 lumens in boost mode. In low power mode, the ML4 has a runtime of up to 45 hours. If you don't want to lose your night vision or don't want to wake anybody up, you can directly switch on the red light by holding the switch for 3 seconds. The red light has 2 brightness levels, and a blink function is also available. The ML4 comes with a 14,500 lithium-ion rechargeable battery. The battery status indicator changes from green to yellow to red to indicate when the battery needs charging. Our practical magnetic charge system charges the ML4 within 2.5 hours. When the battery is fully charged, the charge indicator changes from red to green. Thanks to our dual power technology, the ML4 can also be operated with a standard AA alkaline battery for unlimited flexibility on the go. The carabiner snap hook provides flexible usage and attachment options. The ML4 can, for example, be attached to a backpack, belt, or rope. Another useful feature is that both the switch and the bottom of the lantern are phosphorescent, making it easier to find in the dark. The useful transportation lock stops the light from being switched on accidentally. To activate the lock, simply press the switch for 5 seconds. To deactivate it, press and hold for 3 seconds. Our ML4 is the perfect, small, lightweight companion for your journey. It is extremely versatile. For example, it can be used as a camping light during treks lasting several days, or as a safety light clipped to your child's satchel. Of course, our ML4, like all LedLenser products, is backed by our industry-leading 7-year warranty when registered. To see the ML4 and all of our other lighting solutions, please visit our website.